Maybe you've seen and heard about problems in the developing world and wondered what you can do to help. Among uneducated people in the Dominican Republic, there is widespread unemployment. Those that do have work only earn 18 pesos, which is less than 50 cents per hour. 8% of women are victims of domestic violence. An enormous 46% of girls become pregnant while they're still teenagers. The average woman has 4 children, and almost 5% of children die in infancy. In contrast, among those who are educated, the picture looks different. People are able to find employment, and their average wages are almost 5 times as much. The number of women who are victims of domestic violence decreases to 1%. Teen pregnancy rates drop dramatically. Since 2003, Doulos Discovery School has been working to address these problems by educating and equipping servant leaders through Christian discipleship and expeditionary learning to impact the Dominican Republic. We provide bilingual Christian education that meets the standards of the Dominican Republic and the United States. We work with students and their families from all economic backgrounds to provide scholarships based on individual needs. Parents pay what they can afford and work a few hours a month at the school in exchange for tuition that enables their children to receive an education when it would otherwise be unaffordable. We make it a priority to take our students out of the classroom to provide hands-on opportunities to learn, to develop creativity and critical thinking skills, and to serve the local community. By praying for and supporting our staff and students, you're providing children with an opportunity to receive a quality education that will empower them to achieve the full potential of what God created them to be. Making a long-lasting difference is not easy, but together we can shape the next generation of leaders.